Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and in today's video we are retwisting my son's free-form dreadlocks. I should tell you right from the beginning that I am not an expert at this and that I learn as I fail. And I'm hoping that if you are an expert, that you could give me more tips and tricks of how to become better at this task that I need to do as a mom. As the year ends, I wanted to share this video with you, which was filmed before Christmas, to encourage you because during this time, a lot of people are planning and they're thinking about where they are in life. And I want to leave you with this. This is a gift that I discovered when I walked into my purpose. And I am a firm believer that sometimes God doesn't give you what you need before you walk into your assignment. And I am not here to preach to you. I am just here to share my story with you. I am a foster mom, and never in my life I ever thought that I was going to end up fostering and adopting children that are teenager, but God had a different plan for me, and before I knew it, I turned into a foster mom that adopted and took into care teenagers. I personally don't even know how to do my own hair, but when God placed in my home two little ones that had long hair, a 2-year-old and a 3.5-year-old, and their parents, the first request was, Miss Mariana, please do not cut our children's hair. I was confronted with the challenge that braiding and retwisting hair can cost a lot of money. So it was by the grace of God that where these children were going into their daycare, the teachers there said, Miss Mariana, we will teach you how to braid the kids' hair. And that was my first humble beginning in learning, not knowing that God was preparing me for the son that later on was going to give me, which you're looking at him right here, which is Isaiah. When Isaiah came into my care, his hair was really short, and quickly I said to him, we are going to work on your hair, and whatever you want I will learn and it'll become. And here we are. He has done braids, twist, and last year he decided he wanted to start growing. Actually, I apologize. This year he decided to start growing dreadlocks. And I want to say around March he made that decision. But anyhow, here we are in December, and this is how his hair look. Now, if you know that this process took about 3.5 hours, and we started with a clean hair. We deep wash the hair and condition, and here we are retwisting. I am using this product, and I must say that this product is not for everyone. This is the product right for Isaiah's hair. Isaiah is an athlete, he plays football, and sometimes his helmet really destroys the hair. And we found that this particular product, which we picked up from Walmart, we've been using for about 3 years now. It is the best for his hair. Also, he decided that he wanted free form dreadlocks versus the dreadlocks that you could start by creating a pattern. So I have to be very careful in trying to follow the free form and determining if do I want to keep them the way they are, or do I need to connect it with another dreadlocks because perhaps the hair is too thin. So it is a very slow process. Usually we watch a ton of music videos, which is what he enjoys. We take a whole bunch of breaks to stretch our backs, and again, it could take a whole afternoon, but we do it about every 6 weeks. I do enjoy doing his hair. It is kind of therapeutic for me, and I think he also enjoys being pampered. After I finish, he goes under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the day and the weather, because that also affects the hair. And here you see him, and this is the result. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I want to leave you with this. Whatever goals you're planning today, do not fret and do not be fear. You will discover your gift once you're walking into your purpose. So go ahead, be brave, and just do it. Go ahead and sign up for that class, open up that business, start that project that you want to take on that job, whatever it is, my friend. In your weakness, God will be your strength and He will give you what you need once you're walking in your purpose. I love you and I catch you in my next video. Bye.